Hey folks, Isaac Fried here talking about the new book, How to Not Give a Fuck in 10 Easy Steps. Thought it would be a brilliant idea to come film this at the park just after sunrise, so here we are with natural lighting. And today we're talking about part 10, How to Not Give a Fuck when really bad shit happens. And within chapter 10, let me turn the page here, is part 10, chapter 33. This is all a bunch of bullshit. So this book was written about the things I've learned to find peace, having been unsettled, having given way too many fucks, having been dissatisfied and suffering and been unhappy. I picked up a lot of advice and wisdom along the way from different books, teachers, ideas, philosophies about how to live a more peaceful life. Meditation is a big key. Not giving a fuck about unimportant shit is a big key. Caring about other people is a big key. However, this is all a bunch of bullshit. A lot of people talk about how you can be happy just by making a choice. Happiness is an inside job. That's bullshit. Our external circumstances and environment can contribute to our happiness or make it harder to be happy. One example of this is trauma. When external events and circumstances overwhelm a person, they overwhelm a person's nervous system. Peter Levine talks about this. At which point all these exercises really don't help. All these intellectual thinkings and doings and you can be happy regardless of your circumstances, this is all a bunch of bullshit because there's trauma. It requires some healing. Pardon me while I scratch my nose. Not supposed to do that on video, but I don't care. This is really important. If you want to learn how to not give a fuck, ask yourself where you might have experienced some trauma. It doesn't need to be war or to anything terrible. Very subtle things, emotional trauma or even physical trauma that isn't as severe as war can be quite difficult and challenging. So meditation can be a great way to help. So can Qigong. So can all the things I talk about in this book. And this can all still be a bunch of bullshit because if you have some trauma, seek a professional who can help. And that is one way you can heal yourself and really learn how to give less of a fuck. So thanks for watching. Pick up a copy of the book. And good luck with your life. Bye. Hey, thanks for watching these videos. I hope you're enjoying them, getting some good nuggets of wisdom, a few good laughs. And I'm making this little addendum video because I can't put these little links in the corners here of the videos like you used to be able to do until I have 1,000 subscribers, which I don't have. So if you like the video, hit the thumbs up. If you don't, thumbs down. Hit the subscribe button if you want to help me out, get to that 1,000, you and 999 other people, and I can put little links in the corners. You can go buy the book or check out the websites. In the meantime, hopefully down here in the description, there's some websites, real simple. One, howtonotgiveafuck.net is about the book, articles, some funny videos. Then my own website where there's some poignant articles I've written, more general topics. And if you want, sign up for the email newsletter. We don't really harass you much, but we let you know when there's new videos. And me and my business partner, Boulder, he's like the tech guy because I'm just learning how to make videos here in 2020. And what else? You want to sign up for the newsletter because you'll be the first to know about the new book that's coming out. I'm not sharing the title of it yet because it's too good. So thanks for watching. Some websites down there. And hit some buttons with thumbs and subscribes or do whatever you want. Be a good person. Have a good day. Bye.